Namaste. Welcome to Namastehindi. I'm Prerna Khandelwal, a native Hindi speaker, and today we are going to learn about past simple tense. Past simple tense has the same rules as present perfect tense, so please review that video if you haven't watched it. Sentence structure in English: subject plus verb of the second form plus object. In our previous video, we learned about transitive and intransitive verbs in detail. So here is the structure for transitive verbs in Hindi. Subject plus ne plus object plus verb root plus a or ya verb ending for masculine singular object, a for masculine plural object, e for feminine singular or plural object. Remember, the verb agrees with the number and gender of the object. For example, I ate cake. In Hindi it would be मैंने cake खाया. We are saying खाया because cake in Hindi is masculine singular object. Intransitive verbs for English, the structure is same, but for Hindi, intransitive verb structure is subject plus object plus verb root plus a or ya verb ending for masculine singular subject, a for masculine plural subject, e for feminine singular or plural. Remember, the verb agrees with the number and gender of the subject. For example, she didn't come. In Hindi it would be वो नहीं आई. Note: in case if a subject or an object not explicitly stated or implied, use masculine singular past form of the verb. For example, we heard, हमने सुना. What did they tell? उन्होंने क्या बताया? Who came? You don't know the person. It can be female or male. But here we are going to use masculine singular verb. कौन आया? Who did sleep in the room? कमरे में कौन सोया? This rule applies for all tenses. Irregular verbs in the past simple, present, and past perfect tenses. Like in Greek, Spanish, or every language, there are some irregular verbs in Hindi which you need to learn as it is. To go in Hindi is jana, which is an infinitive verb. Past forms are, for masculine singular, gaya, feminine, gayi, for masculine plural, gaye. To be, hona. Past forms are hua, hui, हुए. To do, karna. Past forms are किया, की, किए. To take, लेना. Past forms are लिया, ली, लिए. To give, देना. दिया, दी, दिए. To do, to take, and to give are transitive verbs, so we use subject plus ne for these verbs. Let's look at some examples. Sheila didn't go to the market yesterday. Sheila kal market nahi gayi. What did you bring? Remember, bring is an intransitive verb in Hindi. आप क्या लाए? We brought some flowers. हम कुछ फूल लाए. Question and answer. सवाल और जवाब. Try to fill in the question mark on the screen to see how much you have learned. Did you go to the mall yesterday? क्या आप कल मॉल गए? Did you eat the cake? क्या आपने केक खाया? Who came at the party? पार्टी में कौन आया? What did you make? आपने क्या बनाया? Where did she sleep yesterday? वो कल कहाँ सोई? She bought some dresses. उन्होंने कुछ ड्रेसेस खरीदी. Why did he laugh? वो क्यों हंसे? I lived in Pune for some years. For female, मैं कुछ साल पुणे में रही.
For male, मैं कुछ साल पुणे में रहा.
In the next lesson, we are going to learn about past continuous tense. And that's all the practice for today. Great job. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.